Hello all, welcome back students. So in the previous video we had a discussion on the basic operations that can be performed on a list. In this video we will be taking into consideration the first two operations and practicing it in Python. Okay, so the first type of operation is very simple, that is concatenation, that means joining multiple lists. Let us practice the same. Suppose I am manually creating a list L and I am inputting the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 in that list, correct? I am creating one more list, suppose M, and let me have 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now, very simple, to concat the list, we will just 1 minute. To concat the list, we will just take the original list name and put a plus in between, nothing else. We will just take the original list name and we will put up a plus in between, and hopefully this will make our job work. But you have to be aware of one thing, it will not sort out anything. Suppose we were expecting it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is not the case. First list is L, so first of all, as you can see, all elements of L are coming. Second list is M, so as you are able to see, all elements of M are coming. Okay, if we take up the reverse methodology means, suppose I take M plus L. So first you will see that it will take up the contents of M, then it will take up the contents of L. We can go for multiple approach. Suppose I want M plus M only. Okay, same list added to itself. So as you can see, 1 3 5 7, again 1 3 5 7. Okay, and as per the definition, as I told you, that we can join multiple lists, so we can do needful stuff. We can work with 2 lists, we can work with 3 lists, we can work with more than 3 lists also. As you can see, M plus L. So first M is added, second M is added, and then L is added. Okay, so I hope suppose let us take one more list. Let us exercise that we are able to deal with multiple and different kinds of list, not a very big issue. And just if I add plus G, let us remove this 1M to avoid unnecessary repetition. You are seeing that we are able to add and concat multiple lists together. Okay, so that was the simple demo of how we are able to join or concat or perform concatenation operation on multiple lists. Now let us talk about repetition operation. As I told you when I was discussing, repetition operation can repeat the elements of the list multiple times. Now the easiest method to do this is, suppose I don't want this code, I will put it up in comment. Print print, suppose I want to repeat the elements of L list twice. So what I can do, L into 2. Okay, as you will see that the members is repeated twice. Suppose I want to repeat the elements of the L 5 times, so it will be a huge list, so it will be L into 5, and as you can see, all the members will be repeated 5 times. Okay, I don't think there is much to discuss in this repetition part of the list. These are very simplistic things. Suppose I want to repeat the contents of the list M 3 times. Okay, so just we can mention of those things. Now you will have a question, sir. Suppose we do like this. Suppose M I want 3 times, and we do like this, M plus M plus M. Okay, let us for now remove it. We do like this. Now you will have an assumption, sir, that sir both will give us the same result. So what is the difference? See, there is no difference between these two operations. Okay, here list M, all elements are repeated thrice. Here list M is added to itself 3 times. So technically output will be the same, but in case of processing, Python does it in a different manner. Just I am explaining. Here M elements will be taken, all the elements will be repeated 3 times. Although even we see that the output is same, but processing is a little different. Here first M is taken, again another M is taken, it is added to the end of the first M. again another m is taken, it is added to the end of the second m. Okay, so even though output is coming the same, there is a programmatical approach is little different, even though it appears to be the same. Okay, so students, this was what you can say the practical demonstration of the first two operations on a list, that is concatenation and repetition. Hope you have understood the same, and again we will discuss all the operations and we will make use of these operations based on some Python program. So that would be all from my side for this video. In the next video we will be seeing how we can deal with operations on a list using membership testing. Thank you and have a nice day.